Hey everybody, welcome back to another 2020 Toyota Tacoma video. Well, this week I want to do something about these taillights that I absolutely hate. Stay tuned. Before I show you the new ones, let me tell you why I hate the old ones so much. Number one, it's the chrome strip inside. It looks awful in my opinion, tacky, doesn't match anything. I don't know when Toyota's going to realize that people do not want chrome on these trucks. And putting it in something that you can't easily paint is stupid in my opinion. Number two, I don't like the clear lens on this. I think it probably looks okay on the lighter color trucks, but on a dark color like this or even black, it just looks awful. So what I decided to do was pick up a set of these Spyder Auto LED taillights. Going to be very easy to put in, look a lot better in my opinion. Going to go along with the look of the truck that I'm trying to achieve. So let's bust out the 10mm and get these old ones off. All right, these factory lights are held in by just a couple 10s. One there, and I think it's this bottom one. This one, I don't believe you have to remove. And then the light just pulls right out. Unplug everything. Now, I will be sacrificing my really, really good last fit reverse LEDs, but the new lights have built-in LEDs. However, I suspect they probably won't be as good as the last fit, but we'll find out. All right, one thing I wanted to point out, my truck is a 2020, and they may have changed the wiring for 20 because the coloring is different. This is coming from the light, and it's got the black, I'm assuming the grounds at the bottom, and the factory one does not have a solid black. It has a wire with a black stripe, and that is the case for the brake lights and the parking lights and also the reverse lights. So that's the order I plugged it in. Just did a quick temporary fit, turned on the parking lights, and at least they're working. That looks so much better, but I need to go ahead and remove this and plug everything in properly, secure it, and then bolt it into place. And I'll do a comparison between the old one and the new one. All right, very simple. I've got the old ones kind of installed where, and they screw in where the old bulbs used to screw in. The only difference is the reverse light is now in the middle where it used to be at the bottom before. So everything is secured. I can go ahead and snap this in place and then secure it. All right, there's a comparison. Driver's side versus passenger side. All right, time to get the other side done and finish this up. Then I'll show you what everything looks like. Stay tuned. All right, the lights are in, and in my opinion, it's 1 billion times better. I think they look really good with the color of the truck. I happen to like this particular design a lot. I know there's a lot of other LED taillights out there on the market, but this one, I just kept coming back to this one. So I guess now we'll wait till it gets dark and I'll show you the full features. Okay, it's almost dark. I wanted to show you what the parking lights look like at night. I love them. I think they're awesome. Now we'll show you the brake lights. There's the four ways, their turn signals. And there's the reverse lights. They're actually pretty bright. Pretty happy with them. And with the truck running and the brake lights on. All right, with the truck off, and now the 30-second timer is on for the lights. Definitely very happy with these tail lights. So much better than the factory. I have no idea why everything else on the truck is LED outside except for the tail lights. Makes no sense. It's almost like they were begging to upgrade them. Anyway, that'll do it for one more project on the 2020 Tacoma. Lots more coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned, and let me know if you have any questions. Donovan seems to like it. Anyway, until next time, we'll catch you on the flip side.